Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to activate evolution cards in Clash Royale. To activate evolution cards in Clash Royale, you first need to unlock the card's evolution by collecting enough evolution shards. Once unlocked, head over to your decks and place that card into an evolution slot. These slots are what actually let you use the evolved version in battle. If the card isn't in the slot, the evolution won't activate. And if the card is a potential evolution, but you don't have the shards yet, it still won't work. Currently, most players start with one slot in the top left of their deck, but as your king level rises, more slots unlock. For example, a second slot appears at level 30. So in short, unlock with shards, slot the card in your deck, and you're ready to bring powerful evolved cards into the arena. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.